Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a good solid day. Sure, the price pulled back, but the pullback actually went down to a very interesting area in here, which I'm going to talk about. But first, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Go ahead and just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So this 124.75-ish area was a former area of resistance. Price got above it. And then, as the rule states, you would like to see it act as support. And wouldn't you know, on that pullback there, I mean, you just can't make this stuff up. You know, absolutely the power of charts right there. Price bounced beautifully off that level. So moving forward, that 124.75 mark, definitely what I would consider the ideal level of support. Meaning, for Ask Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Certainly if the price can stay above 124.75. With that being said, if the price does not hold above it, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. As long as the price does stay above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. So as the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, staying above 124.75 would be great, but as long as the price is above that purple line, that's what matters most. And then as far as areas of resistance, still do have that level right there around 126-ish. But now that we have more data, I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this area of resistance right up there to 127. And whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted in the upwards direction, that's always a good sign. So that doesn't mean that the price is going to continue to explode upwards, but it's always a good thing if resistance levels need to be adjusted higher, which was the case here. So overall, the trend continues. So it'll be interesting to see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.